We all have our favorite hat or ball cap. I have mine, you have yours, and they're probably designed with something that you're proud to represent. Now imagine attempting to apply a heat transfer onto a baseball cap with a hand iron or even like a standard heat press. It's pretty difficult. Heat presses and irons just aren't made for hats. They're designed to press flat items. So how do you heat press something like this? Easy. With a cap heat press. In this video, I'd like to break down 3 reasons why owning a cap press is worthwhile. And stay till the end because I'm going to give you a bonus reason specifically for you business owners. The first reason, of course, is how all cap presses are designed for the most popular forms of hats. This goes as far as offering features unique to these machines, such as a cap holding mechanism that tightly keeps your hat in place on the lower platen, and interchangeable platens designed for multiple hat sizes. These features make using a cap press just about as efficient as using a standard heat press for t-shirts. All it takes is to prep, press, and peel in applying your transfers. Now, with the peace of mind that they'll be pressed smoothly onto your structured or unstructured hat. The second reason to own a cap press is their generally compact size and lightweight nature that makes it perfect for operating in tight workspaces. Caps and hats themselves don't take up much space, which also means a cap press also won't take up too much of your work area. Even our largest cap press, the HP Signature Series Auto Open, is still a breeze to handle and move around your workspace. So if you're a blooming business owner using smaller tools like the Silhouette Cameo and the HP Craft Pro, adding a cap press will be especially beneficial as you can eventually move it to a space dedicated specifically for hat customization. My third reason to own a cap press is their surprisingly versatile functionality. Yes, this is a cap press, but there's really nothing stopping you from pressing any other garments with these machines. Whenever you need to quickly press a neck label or a short sleeve transfer, for instance, it's possible to simply place those portions of a shirt on your cap press. The smaller platens also help in that only those portions will be pressed, so there won't be any need to use tools like pressing pads or pillows when positioning your shirt accordingly. So those are my 3 reasons to own a cap press. Now here's something for you business owners. Adding a cap press to your arsenal of equipment brings a whole world of options to your catalog. Just off the top of my head, you have trucker caps, snapbacks, camp hats, baseball caps, and my personal favorite, dad hats. You can create custom heat transfers with your existing HTV, sublimation, or heat transfer paper equipment. Hats are also a fantastic upsell opportunity for every order. Leaving out a cap press is like leaving money on the table. So head on over to heatpressnation.com and check out our great selection of hat presses.